Hey, crypto family, XRP family, real quick video here for you. Just kind of wanted to talk about what's going on with XRP right now, what's going on with crypto, and I don't want you to lose your way. We are in a little bit of a quiet period here leading up to September 17th, which is about 8 days away, okay? And right now, you're not going to see a lot happen in crypto. You're really not. We had a little bit of a bump yesterday, and I know what that was. I'm going to explain it to you in this video. So please do two things for me. Hit that like, hit that subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. And if you're watching this on X, please consider giving me a follow. I would greatly appreciate it. Okay. So, look, here's the deal. Yesterday, crypto moved up. XRP went up, got back up over $3. I think it actually hit like 304, and it's back down a little bit today. The reason that XRP and the reason that crypto went up yesterday was there was essentially a news story that broke that was talking about the fact that we could be getting a bigger Federal Reserve rate cut on September 17th than we were normally going to expect. And that's why you saw that bump yesterday, and that's why you see a pullback today, because there's volatility. There's always market manipulation, but there's volatility happening in place right now where people kind of took advantage of that news cycle, moved it up 3 or 4 points as far as XRP, actually went up about 4.5 or so, almost 5%, and then it bounced back down to 3 or so. And it's now back down below 296. It's really flat today. But you're going to see this volatility play out because everybody has this really, at the end of the day, this wait and see mentality. They're going to wait to see what happens on September 17th. We might get a little bit of a run up as we get a little bit closer, maybe 2 or 3 days out from September 17th, which would be speculative buying. People are just speculating and buying in early, speculating that it's good, that we are going to get a 50 basis points cut or things of that nature. Okay, because here's what's happening. We were expecting on September 17th a 25 basis points cut, 0.25. Now there's speculation that because the jobs reports are being revised down, the jobs reports that we got last Friday showed that we only added 22,000 jobs in August and we were expecting 75,000 plus. That was a major miss. We're getting an inflation report this week. There's a story that just broke that they've revised the jobs, total jobs down 910,000. It's just blah, 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 blah. Okay. The economy needs help. The economy needs this Federal Reserve interest rate cut to spur, to kind of poke, if you will, the economy, to start getting people to spend more money, to go buy cars, buy houses, things of this nature. Well, what happens is the majority of people have to finance those things. So what they want to lower the interest rate. We know that the Trump administration wants the interest rate to come down, all this kind of stuff. Okay, so this 50 basis points cut, now we have a lot of speculation. Is that going to happen? Is that not going to happen? And therein lies the rub, if you will, is that therein lies why we're not seeing a lot move right now. So I want you to stay the course. I want you to just be okay with this volatility as leading into the September 17th thing, just to wait and see how it plays out. And again, my job here is to make you aware of the news, to kind of decipher it a little bit so that you understand what is playing out and how it impacts you and your XRP, how it impacts you and all your crypto. Also, on a completely different note, there's a link in the description below to my free newsletter. Go get it, okay? It's a free newsletter. I'm not going to spam you. I'm not going to send you a bunch of crap. It's a newsletter that's going to be, you're going to get twice a week. It's going to help you generate more crypto profits, more wealth. Again, not going to sell you anything, all that kind of stuff. It's just straight value content. Links in the description below. Go pick it up. If you're watching this on X, links below this video as well. So, guys, this is where we're at, okay? I just wanted to kind of let you guys know, again, this is my job to kind of give you the news, to decipher what's going on out there. So you're not going to see a whole hell of a lot going on right now in the short term. And yeah, that's what we're seeing play out. Okay, last thing before I go down there while you're in the description looking at that free newsletter. If you want, check out my X1 algo. It's a trading indicator, helps you know when to buy, when to sell. Because look, here's the thing. How'd you like help knowing when to buy or when to sell to make the most profit in any crypto? Or, by the way, in stocks. I've showed you guys a ton of videos how the software works. It literally runs on any iPhone. It runs on any phone, any Google phone or whatever it may be. It runs on computers, whatever. It runs everywhere. And you have a phone, you get a little alerts. It says buy this or sell this. Any crypto you want to follow, it'll give you a perfect buy alert and sell alert telling you when you should buy or sell any crypto or any stocks. What does that mean? It means that you can know the perfect time to buy and sell and make the most profit in the middle. Okay? That's what it comes down to. What is profit? That's money in your pocket. That's money that you can save. That's money that you can put in the bank. That money that you can use to buy a new car. The money you can use to put your kids in college or to save for a better place to live or whatever. Okay, to buy those brand new pair of Nikes, whatever you want, whatever you're looking for, right? That's what it comes down to. The software costs about $1.15 a day to use. $1.15. You spend more than that on a cup of coffee, right? You spend more than that on a pack of gum. You spend more than $1.15 on candy. Is your financial future, or at least trying to get a better handle on it and make more money, more important to you than a cup of coffee? It should be. And by the way, there's a 30-day no questions asked money back refund policy guarantee. What that means is you get to try the software really for free for 30 days. If you don't like it, you get a complete refund. So you have zero risk in this. So give it a look. It's down in the link description below. If you're on X, links below this video as well. I'll see you. Stay the course. We're going to be fine. Just we got to wait to see what happens on September 17th. See you. Bye.